channel DIY Decor. It's me Rasmita Sakya. You can see in the picture it is the old tallest trident which is in our own country Nepal. It is situated at Pandaveshwor temple of Dharpani in Dang district. It is located approximately 10 km far from Ghorahi Bazar in southern side. Its length is 41.5 feet and weight is 6000 kg. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful and attractive DIY old tallest trident with easily available materials at our home. Materials we need are newspaper, Fevicol, some colors, hot glue gun, lids of some unused jars, wool, scissors, cardboard and pen. First of all, take a newspaper. Roll it around. Stick it with the Fevicol. Take another newspaper and roll it around. We need a lot of newspaper rolls to make trident and fence around it. Take another newspaper, roll it again to make it thick and big. Repeat it until you get the desired thickness. Once you make this, take a black color, paint it all around as shown in the video. Take a cardboard and draw trident with pen. Cut it, paint it black again. Take another newspaper, give it a shape of cone. Cut the excess part. Stick it with Fevicol. Take a yellow color, paint as shown in the video. This is how it looks when we stick together all the parts to make trident. 3 leads and place one upon another as shown in the video. Give it a grey color. Now draw the trident on yellow chart paper. Cut it in the shape of trident. These are the newspaper rolls which is painted white and a cardboard. Make a fence around cardboard. Stick 4 small tridents. Again take round cardboard. Fence it with newspaper rolls like this. Now take a big round cardboard. Fence it around with black painted newspaper rolls. Use glue gun to make water. Use green and white paint to paint as shown in the video. Place it like this. For making tree, take a green wool and wrap it around. Make a knot in the middle. Tie it with same newspaper roll which we made earlier. Stick trees inside black fence. Here is our world's largest trident. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe.